San Marcos traffic 4 Lima uniform, turning onto left final for full stop on runway 8. San Marcos traffic.
San Marcos traffic, helicopter 4425 for Romeo is 10 to the north, position to the southwest, positioning 2 miles north of the field, look for traffic, San Marcos.
30 Lima uniform, we're going to go ahead and extend our downwind to let the other plane in.
San Marcos 540 Lima Kilo, it's over 35, inbound for landing on final for runway 8.
San Marcos traffic, Scott David, Kilo, 2 mile final, runway 8, San Marcos.
San Marcos traffic, 626, Cessna 626. We're 3 miles away. We're looking to join a 45 on the downwind for 8 to get in the pattern for a full stop.
San Marcos traffic, Skyhawk 30 Lima uniforms on a long final over 35 for 08 San Marcos traffic.
San Marcos traffic 4 Lima uniform, clear of runway 8 on Bravo, going to taxi on Alpha back to coast. San Marcos traffic.
San Marcos traffic, this is Cardinal Cessna 626. We are on the downwind for runway 8, joining the pattern.
San Marcos traffic, Skyhawk 512 November Delta, left downwind, runway 8, San Marcos traffic.
San Marcos traffic, there's a plane that just crashed on a short final right on the road. San Marcos traffic.
San Marcos traffic, which road?
The road right at the approach end of runway 8.
Alright guys, ice field, helicopter coming in. Somebody on emergency?
San Marcos traffic, yeah, there was a crash at the end of runway 8. I don't think it's landable right now. San Marcos.
Oh gosh, yeah, it's on fire.